Guys, it's your boy, Daniel Everything here. And today, oh my god, we're gonna be playing Uno in Roblox. Okay, by the way, this video is not gonna be edited. This is gonna be regular game. Okay, not okay. Ooh, okay. Who goes first? Me or them? Okay, skipped. Who they skip? Me? Okay. 4, 6. Then 0. Then we press the red. Then we what do you call it? Turn it around. Reverse. It's my turn again. Turn reverse. Go ahead again. Of course, +2. This is for +2. Me again. My turn. Let's change it to green because I feel like skipping them. Of course, they change it back to red. Ooh, blue. Okay. Okay, now I just have to change last color to green. Skip ya! I won! Oh, what the heck? Oh, I just ran summer drawing. Let's go say hi to her real quick. Is this her? Where is she? I think this is her. What does she look like? I forgot. What does she look like in Roblox? Oh, that is her. Okay, we're back again. With 4 people. My turn. Drops on this. What do you call it? It's blue. By the way, another video is gonna be coming out with cousin Elijah on today. I just about a few minutes ago. No, about like 30 minutes ago, I made a video of him. Of course, it's only me and him. I swear, if he leaves, I quit. Please change it to green. Thank you. Haha, draw 2 cards. You're a loser. Take this L again. I have 2 wins. Guys, if I win again, you guys have to hit that like button. Seriously. And subscribe. Please. Of course. Oh, of course he changed it. You can't change it back. Loser. Sorry if I keep calling him loser. I have 1 card left. Seriously, if you guys don't, you will never win a card game. You will never win a board game, and Siren Head will get you and eat you up. So you better subscribe and like. This is how we do it up in here. I won again. 3 wins. This is so easy. Okay, hold on, guys. 2 people has just left at the same time. They're like, nope. Okay, hold on, guys. Guys, we're back now. Okay, let's get ready. Okay, I will win, of course. Winner gets 200 wild red. Right here. Since my computer is ready to touch screen, so I can just touch the screen. Please. Not me. Reverse, skip. +2. So it goes this way. Yeah, so it goes to this guy. Wow, and it goes to me, then it goes to the teeth guy. Okay, let's press 1. Or get 1 down there. I put down a 1 because you already know I'm gonna win. Or win. Same thing. Good, I have a +2. I could. Switch it back to red. Blue. Skip. 8. And +2. I have a green. Please, of course. Course. I get a green, I get a reverse. I have 4 cards now. Ah. Oh, we can grab from the thing? I totally forgot about that. I'm gonna throw down this reverse. Reverse. Go that. Now it goes to this way. Okay. Oh, he lost. Oh. Sorry if I keep joining the same table. No, I'm going to this table. One v1 him. 8, 6, 5. Of course. Leave me in him. Sorry about that. I'm drinking a drink and it's making me cough. I'm drinking Jamba Juice. Okay. Of course. Of course it's on me. I'm the youngest, so of course it's on me. What does the coins have you do? Oh, it gives me one. Oh, it gives me one. Oh, I could just change it to green. Change it to green. Horse red. Change it back to green. I have every green card. It's a 5, 5, and a 4. That's 6. 6, not 6. 4, 3, 5. Oh, you could take that card? So can I take the skip? She ain't winning. I knew she had a red. Yes, I knew it. do it. She had a red, so I changed the color. Why? You're so dumb. You're... Oh my god. He's so dumb. Oh my god, I'm not gonna call him dumb. Just hope none of them has a blue. Okay. No yellow. No yellow. Of course he has a yellow. Gets the victory royale. This video might be boring, but we're gonna play one more round and we out. Peace. No. We're gonna end it here. Okay, guys, this is your boy, Danilo, everything. Out. Peace.